Okay, so we are continuing now, and Kalpita's team is going to start. And how you are going to start, what you are going to start, with what you are going to start, you can start.
So we are going to negotiate and after that we are planning for the tasks.
So you not said that second all the other complaints are approved or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so so far I have approved one complaint from Kirtana's team and one complaint from Kalpita's team. So 35,000 have been exchanged. And now they mentioned about Pranav. The second complaint was about Pranav. So Pranav, that's what has been approved. So for that only 35,000. The other complaint that was levied was about the murmuring between Vedavushan and Dakshin Siddharth. Vedavushan and Dakshin Siddharth were actually trying to defend their point that they were not murmuring, and as long as it is not impacting the other team members' performance, it is not considered to be murmuring. That was murmuring. That was the thing that they mentioned, and Varshan also went beyond and he mentioned a point that if it had been a murmuring beyond the tolerable limit, Sir would have condemned it. I would say that's a bit of a truth. It was not beyond the tolerance limit, and that's why I kept my mouth shut and I allowed it. But you have to pay a certain amount of money for that, not fully executed. I would say the regular seating, because they are actually going for 2,20,000. 35,000 default payability. So how much is 2,20,000 minus 35,000? 175.
184.
185.
180. Correct.
So 1,85,000, you have the money. இப்போ இந்த 1,85,000 நீங்க வந்து அவங்க கிட்ட வந்து நெகோஷியேட் பண்ண போறீங்க. That's going to be a different story altogether. பட் எதுக்கு அப்ரூவல் அப்படிங்கறத நான் சொல்லிருக்கேன். அப்ரூவல் வந்துட்டு தக்ஷின் சித்தார்த் and Vedavushan murmuring கேஸுக்கு you have to pay. Not the full amount, but about half amount.
Sir, you told to subtract 35,000, sir. So we got 35,000 from them also, right, sir? So it remains 2,20,000.
The lawsuit rounds
Lawsuit alone.
Oh, lawsuit.
Lawsuit alone. Okay, so that's approved. And what is the third and final
Sir,
complaint?
you did not give more scope to the audience.
Yes.
Vedavushan is silence. Is it right?
No, sir, that is they we said no, sir. Kiran was not
Kiran and Nitin are not given a proper proper scope to speak. I feel you have to pay half amount for that complaint as well, because that is also approved. Not full amount, but half amount. That's approved as well. Because yes, there were areas where it might be the mistake of Kiran and Ritan also. They could have participated even more. They could have put their best foot forward. In any case, okay, right, done.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to you. The first and foremost thing that you got already paid is 35,000, and that was for
Kirtana that knowing.
Kirtana has made a confession. Varshan, say the second complaint. What did you make?
The second complaint is Mridula Sneaker's complete absence, sir.
You got to pay half amount for that. It's a must-pay situation. Not full execution, but half amount for that. We will decide how much money. Yeah, what's the next complaint?
Sir, Prabhu, come in.
Sir, Prabhu not being, he was keeping himself away from the thing, sir.
I was actually about to cancel that, but Nagalan mentioned a particular term which was not under the terms and conditions of the lawsuit. He mentioned it as half-baked information. Half-baked information term was very harsh. You are not supposed to use it when you are making a polite kind of a thing. But having said that, they are not going to pay completely. Prabhu Aditya was a staunch performer. As much as he could, he was participating. But there are some areas where he was silent as well. And for the kind of words that he used as half-baked information, you got to pay half amount for that. What's the next complaint, please?
Sir, Kirtana exhibited some flashes of the self-doubt.
Self-doubt.
I would like to eliminate that, because she was actually not having, as a girl herself, coming across a lot of depression. She might have been feeling a little bit hesitant to speak. So there is a kind of a personal atmosphere there. I don't want to touch it. That is why she was not able to speak. We already saw that during the haunted house skit also. So that's rejected. You need not pay anything. Next.
Then that's it, sir.
That's it.
So we also should pay half for second and third complaints, sir, and they have to pay half each for second and fourth complaint.
So it's evenly balanced. So now the negotiation can start. Before we come to the final full stop region of this activity, that is the task for equalizing. Now the negotiation is officially
reducing
out of 2,20,000, 35,000 have already been paid. So 2,20,000 தான் சூ பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. So இப்போ 185,000 இருக்கு. So இப்போ we will start with Keerthana's team. So Keerthana's team will make a plead to Kalpita's team to reduce பண்ண சொல்றதுக்கான காரணம் லெஜிட்டிமேட்டா இருக்கணும், ஒழுங்கா இருக்கணும், நியாயமா இருக்கணும். அப்படி லெஜிட்டிமேட்டா நியாயமா இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா the trainer will not have any say. அவங்க ஃபைனலா கொடுக்குற கோட்டுக்கு நீங்க பண்ணியே தான். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் உங்களுக்கு டாஸ்கோட அட்வான்டேஜ் கிடைக்கும். டாஸ்க்ல எவ்வளவு கம்மியாகுதுங்கிறது நான் முடிவு. அப்புறம் நீங்க அந்த கடைசியில் நான் சொல்ற அமௌண்ட்டை நீங்க எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கீங்க. And then we complete this exercise. Okay, right? Any questions before we go for the negotiation round? So online team participation பண்ணனும். negotiation round ஒரு ரவுண்ட் தான். அதுல எல்லாரும் பேசணும். பேசாம இருந்தா என்னோட லாஸ்ட் ஒன் இருக்கு, அத நான் உங்களுக்கு மேல
Kiran Ratan
Vishnupriya Mridubhashini.
Yes,
Ritan, if you can just open that notification, that sign tab. As you are using laptop, if you open the message, that tab, you will be able to see the discussion that's going on in this group.
Can you switch on the fan? Little stuffy.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, so we are starting with the negotiation. Brinda can also participate if at all she understands anything, which is unlikely to happen. She can participate with whatever knowledge that she has, seriously speaking. And I will last activity of Brinda is good. She is a very good performer. Do you have any problem with the question?
No, sir.
I'm going to give 3,000 bonus points.
Sir.
Sir,
no problem.
Ritvika has answers.
Yes, sir.
அதுக்கு அவங்க pay பண்ணணும்.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
ரித்விகாக்கு அவங்க பெனல்டி பே பண்ணிட்டாங்க. 35,000 பெனல்டி பே பண்ணாங்க. அதுதான். அப்படி பார்த்தா கிருஷ்ணகிரி நீங்க மறுபடியும் பே பண்ணுறீங்க.
Sir, now we need a clarification here, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clarification.
Start.
So, we had two problems with this. We need to pay our amount. One is Mridubhashini's sentence. On that day, what happened in the sense, she went to hospital and she just came to our so she just came in half day. So in my point of view, that in the sense that she need to ask what is going on. She didn't ask. That was one reason. And the second reason is she might have not understood what is going on. So for that she didn't no need to speak.
Second.
இல்ல அவனா முடிச்சு.
So she didn't
இப்போ
understand.
கீர்த்தனா முடிச்சோன்னா நகுடன் வந்து ஆட் பண்ணுவோம். அப்புறம் நீங்க
Okay. So she didn't understand what is going on here. So she might.
But the team, sorry if I'm interrupting you, but the team has sued you not on the hospital day absence. It was on the previous day where Mridubhashini was supposed to answer Dakshin Siddharth's very crucial alphabetical question and she left continuously.
That was, they mentioned yesterday, sir, that Keerthanaka could have initiated the conversation for Mridubhashini, sir. But when they mentioned that rapid fire question, that during that activity, Keerthanaka was not the leader of Mridubhashini, sir. It was within the group.
Okay, so I think you can seriously go for a reduction of because it seems to be very.
Sir, for the same thing we paid, sir. Pranav was in their team, sir. The issue was from their team, sir. But we paid for it.
Yeah, you can play a negotiation role when
So we'll go use the equal amounts. It will reduce 35,000 to some lesser amount.
இல்லடா இப்போ வந்து நீ ரெடியூஸ் பண்றதுங்கிறது அந்த மேசிவ் வால்யூம்ல இருந்து தான் நீங்க டீம் டிஸ்கஷன் பண்ணி ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க 185 இப்போ there is no apportion amount it's 185 maximum volume அதுல இருந்து 10,000 15,000 வேணா உங்களுக்கு தரலாம் ஓகே சோ அப்படிதான் இப்போ வந்து ரெண்டு பேர் நெகோஷியேஷன் பண்றது அந்த 1.8 lakhs இப்போ கீர்த்தனாவும் நம்மளும் சொல்ற அந்த பாயிண்ட் வந்து வேலிடா இருக்குங்கிறது என்னுடைய ஹம்பிள் ஒப்பீனியன் பட் இட்ஸ் ஜஸ்ட் a suggestion கல்பிதாவும் டீம்மேட்ஸ் எல்லாம் என்ன முடிவு பண்ணிட்டு அது ஃபைன் நான் சொல்றது நீங்க எடுக்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை சார் யூ லைக் டு ஸ்டே வித் தட் அதுக்கு நாங்கள் கம்மி பண்ண முடியாது வேற ஏதாவது நெகோஷியேட் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க நீங்க சொன்னீங்கன்னா ஃபைன் தட்ஸ் ஓகே Hari, your opinion. What is your opinion on this?
In this team also, the Pranav was in the another team, that also we paid. And their team also, Mridubhashini was the other team. Now she is in their team, so they also want to pay. It's nice also.
But yesterday, sir, when they were facing the problem, we all remember, sir, they made it and some of their very strong points in their defense and their complaint was based on the fact that Keith Naka could have initiated her as a leader. Keith Naka could have, this was a follow-up from the first one, sir, where they gave some conservative reason to Keith Naka, sir. So when they say that point, sir, and they criticize Keith Naka and most of their offense, their reasoning behind their claims, sir, was based on Keith Naka not initiating and Keith Naka not realizing their full potential, sir. Then how, when Ritan was the leader, how are we responsible?
So there is a strong counterpoint from Nagaland. Kiran has already raised her hand and Mitra has raised her hand over here. So we'll hear from Kiran and then Mitra. Yes,
So
Kiran.
Ritan too.
Ritan. Kiran and Ritan, you can speak from the online form. Fast, we don't have time. Come on.
So, sir, Keerthanaka herself said that Mridubhashini didn't ask, she just came in and she didn't ask what was going on. But Kalpitaka came in yesterday through the online format. She was informed well and she still participated, sir. So if that was possible, I think Mridubhashini could have also performed more by asking and getting informed about the tasks.
Yeah, point taken. Kiran, we are coming to that. Point taken. Yeah, Ritan, what is your point?
Sir, I'm also willing to talk about Keerthanaka, she said, sir. So, Keerthanaka said Mridubhashini might have some doubts and she might not able to speak, sir, but everyone is allowed to ask any doubts, sir. So, I thought she could ask some doubts and she can involve them, sir.
Okay, done. Point noted. Yeah, Mitra, what's your point?
Sir, first point, sir. So Nagaland said that it was made towards Keith Naka, sir. We also mentioned that we are not offending her, sir. Everything was for the class, sir. You also mentioned that it's not about offense, number one, sir. And number two, yesterday I apologize for misunderstanding, sir. I said that rapid fire questioning was in their team, but actually it was in for team Ritan, sir. I apologize for that. And you told that whoever the team is belonging to that team member who shifted to the other team, that is important. Whatever they do.
I remain with the same kind of ideology. But what Nagaland is trying to say is when the leadership has been shifted over and the person not performing properly, that can be considered as a less condemnable issue. So that you can reduce the amount. Please understand that he is not trying to find fault with the kind of the structural complaint that you are making against Mridubhashini. But he is trying to say that there could be a loophole so that you can reduce a marginal amount on that.
And Mitra, that word which I mentioned was offense, that was due to lack of, let's say, I couldn't find the correct word at that time, so I said the word. Right now, offense. You mentioned that you did not mean to offend Keith Naka. That is actually, it was a misunderstanding, I believe. That was a mistake.
Everything is under the task only. So we will not apologize. Everything is under the task paradigm only. So நான் ஏற்கனவே சொன்னேன் டிஸ்க்ளைமர் பர்சனலாக யாரும் எடுத்துக்காதீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இது நம்ம நிறைய தடவை பண்ணியிருக்கோம் ஆன்லைன் ஃபார்மில் ஜூன்லாம் நிறைய தடவை பண்ணியிருக்கோம் வருஷம்
Sir, that was just, as Mitra said, sir, there was different complaints, sir. We made a complaint, first complaint was Mridubhashini's silence throughout the activity, sir, except one day. The second one was the second complaint, sir, that was different from the first one, sir. Second complaint was Keith Naka could have improved in her initiatives and leadership, sir. And Mridubhashini's silence was different complaints, sir. Both were different complaints.
So we have complaints, we have two complaints and two different explainations.
Two different, sir. Mridubhashini's silence was one, sir, and Keith Naka's initiatives was second complaint, sir. So Nagaland said that it was how come Mridubhashini and some other team, how can Keith
So
Naka take initiative?
what is your final stand? You are not going to reduce for this?
Sir, for that I will think, I will discuss and say, sir.
Can Mridubhashini speak, sir?
So,
Mridubhashini.
Yes, sir.
Please make your point, Ka.
Nothing will very panchayate நடந்துட்டு don't you feel responsible that you have to open your mouth and speak?
Come on, Ritika, speak.
The entire last week was on the debut of the previous episode.
Sir, she's not.
Forget it.
Sorry.
I would like to ask Kalpita with the current, yeah. So you can also say that. Kalpita says even now she's not opening her mouth, so we would like to consider. I would say yes.
Yes, sir.
I would say yes. So Kalpita, we leave the decision to you and your teammates as leader you can announce. Pick up, டக்குனு இந்த பக்கம் கேதர் ஆயிட்டு ஒரு முடிவுக்கு வந்துட்டு வாங்க. எல்லாமே okay.
Okay, Virupashika, can you hear us or not?
Virupashika, now we can hear us.
அது யாரோ ஒரு பையன் என்ன
Virupashika. Virupashika.
Jack என்னமோ சொல்லிருக்கேன் என்னன்னு பார்த்தேன்.
Sir, if my mic
Sir,
is not
Ritika
on,
didn't say anything, sir.
She didn't say.
Leader first.
you know, sir, start from my side. What
Sir.
is my
This is Ashni speak.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Mama, let me
Hello guys.
Lakrina, okay?
Okay.
Okay, everybody, let us listen to Kalpita's stream. What's their decision? How much they are going to release?
Sir, the reason was she's not responsible for her own mistake even now, sir. She was not able to realize it even now, so we stand with the point, sir. If she have spoke something, we could have reduced her, but
I totally agree. I rest my case. I'm not having anything favorable to people asking right now. எல்லாமே அவங்க fix பண்ணுங்க.
sorry.
Right, so we will come back to any other negotiation that you have. 185 still remaining strong. Hey, next negotiation.
So now I was trying my best to take part in it, and sometimes it was silent, so that may be from your vision it may be like a long time I was silent.
For sometimes only we also,
Yeah.
sometimes we was keeping.
You would like to add anything towards supporting to Prabhu Aditya as a teammate?
He was in my tried in my rubber, he chased him open it. Maybe they tried,
No, ரொம்ப போடாத வந்து.
Sir, let's put this.
No problem.
maybe they saw this was silent, but he was leaving the idea.
Okay. Get it. Chetana and then Brinda. Brinda can
Sir,
speak.
Kavin on this. After you go. Yes.
Sir, so Prabhu tried his best, sir, and he gave his best to the team, sir, and because of sometimes he didn't speak, sir, and
That is not intentional. Yeah, that is not intentional. வேணும்னே அவர் லெட்டார்ஜிக்காக வாங்கிடுவார். Good job. Brinda.
sir, so I came for only one day, sir, so that time
They have two activities. One is the future train that they did, sir, with three main players. Then they have that ID activity, sir. So at last only we have scope to speak, sir. That is in mute and unmute round, sir. So till that we did not have a main round, sir. But that round I think Prabhu Aditya got two chances, sir. He did really that round well, sir.
Yes.
He did his part well in that case, sir.
Yes.
As I
Totally correct. I agree with you. with a strong contention of the points in favor of Prabhu Aditya from 1,85,000. How would you like to see?
1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Discussion.
Any
அங்க
comments?
இருந்து நீங்க சத்தமா
Any doubts?
Nothing.
இல்ல சத்தமா பேசினா எங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் டிரான்ஸ்பரண்டா இருக்கும்.
Okay, sir.
Kirtana said something. Kirtana
Yes, we should be
raise hand raise பண்ணு.
yes. Teammates வந்து இருக்கணும்.
Ratan
தாராளமா
sir, Ratan sir கை தூக்கி.
இல்ல விஷ்ணு பிரியா இன்வால்வ் பண்ணு.
பேச, okay.
And he has the right to do it. Yes.
Ratan sir.
ஏய் உனக்கு இவன் பேச ஸ்கோப்பே இல்ல கை இங்க தூக்கி சும்மா இரு.
Ratan, pull your horses down.
So the two things, the first, he just put his basics or whatever he can do, he just put it, sir. So the second thing is, in not being little thing, he was just silencer. So from other side, when they are looking it, he just looks like a silencer. When we are into it again, he just gives his best, sir. So from long and from the farther view, it may be like he was silent for more time, sir. So from near view, we just know that he just puts it whatever he is.
Near view, when she says near view as a leader, she does not find it very much in strategic. She was finding it only strategic.
So can I? And that's coming to the point of people from the outside. They were not literally and physically, sir, they were on the outside, sir, and they did not. They could not have possibly experienced our team talk.
Sir, even yesterday you told it's not about team talk.
Not about team talk, sir.
Complete.
So they could not possibly know about yesterday, as Sarah mentioned, there are styles of captaining for different persons, sir. And maybe they mentioned some points about Prabhu sitting far away and Prabhu not involving himself in the tasks, sir. And that is because sometimes I accept, sir, it happens, sir, because he could not find the right word at the time. Even now I ask, is it, and I'll speak next because I don't have the right points.
That's his nature also. Like Prabhu Aditya is not a very what to say, kind of a fierce.
Not Hariharan Anna said.
Yeah, that's not.
Button கூட அடிச்சிட்டு
So philosopher Hariharan மாதிரி இல்ல. கொஞ்சம் அமைதியா தான்.
Mysore Queens.
Why Mysore?
My Mysore Queens, sir.
So, how much would you like to reduce for Prabhu Aditya's case? She doesn't seem to have one. Vishnu, would you like to add something?
20, sir.
Sir, no, sir.
Okay, Dakshin Anna 20, sir. 20, sir.
Sir,
காலேஜ் படிக்கும்போது ஒரு பேக்கரிக்கு போனப்போ அப்போ வந்து
ஐயா நான் பாத்தீங்களா சார்
ரவுண்ட் பேக்கரின்னு ஒன்று அதில் பேக்கரிக்கு டீ சப்ளை பண்ணுறாங்க கூட சின்ன போயிட்டு எங்களுக்கு ட்ரெயினிங் அவன்கிட்ட செய்கிற பேசுகிறேன் யாருக்கு இருக்கு அவனுக்கு பிடிக்கும் இப்போ நானும் பாலாஜி கிருஷ்ணன் ரெண்டு பேர் போய் 3 months ஆகும் இதெல்லாம் நடந்தாங்க அப்போ ஒருத்தர் ஹரியர் சைட் கேட்டா வந்து அவங்க வந்து
நீங்களா சார்?
இல்லை
நீங்களா சார்?
இல்ல நான் ரெண்டு பேரும் உட்கார்ந்து இருப்பேன். அவன் எனக்கு ஃப்ரெண்டு பைசல்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஆள் நல்லா கெட்டியா இருப்பாரு ஜம்முன்னு இருப்பான் பையன். ஆனா டீம் பாலிடெக்னிக்ல படிச்சுட்டு பார்ட் டைமா டீம் சொல்லுவான். பாலிடெக்னிக் படிச்சு பார்ட் டைமா டீம் ஐ வாஸ் சோ ரைட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன். அவன்கிட்ட வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா பெயிண்ட் அடிக்கிறவன் வந்து அப்படின்னு மெனக்கெட்டு விட்டு வந்து என்ன கேட்ட அப்படின்னு இந்த 2 டீ உள்ளே போறப்ப அது எப்படி கேட்ட அப்படின்னு எப்படி நான் செய்கிறேன் உள்ளே
கஸ்டமரியா சார்? கஸ்டமரியா சார்?
கஸ்டமர் ஏன்னா இங்கே அவன் வந்துட்டு ஃபீஸ் கட்டுறதுக்கு பணம் இல்லாமல் நீங்கள் வந்து போராட்டம் பண்ணிட்டு நீ செய்கிறத கேட்பேன் ஏன் வாய் தரம் சொல்ல தெரியாது அப்படின்னு தப்புனா அதனால ஃபஸ்ட் மாதம் சம்பளம் அவன் கட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க நீங்கள் டக்குன்னு
அதே மாதிரி
சொன்னால்
கல்விதா சைக்கிள்
ஸோ ஆஸ் பர் லா வந்து உனக்கு அவனை நீ அப்புறம் உனக்கு ரைட்ஸ் லீடர்கிட்ட பேசும்போது எப்படி பேசணும் ஐம் ஆல்சோ ஓகே வித் கவிதா அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறேன் யூஎஸ் So are you going to reduce 20,000?
Big two.
Anything further? No? 1,65,000. Good job. Nice negotiation.
Great job, great job.
Karma is very powerful. Team Kalpita will also be in the point of making the negotiation and they will feel the heat of the seat in a while. Any other point you would like to say? Good job.
Further negotiation is possible, sir.
இது பாயிண்ட்ஸ் இருந்துச்சு தாராளமாக பாஸ் நான் தான் சொன்னேன் மினிமம் எவ்வளோ கட்டுன்னு சொன்னேன்
Sir, minimum 1 lakh.
1 lakh, sir.
Maximum 220, sir, and you can also
இன்னும் 65 இருக்குல்ல, டாஸ்க் பண்ணி இன்னும் கூட நீங்கள் கம்மி பண்ணலாம். இல்லை போதுங்க டாஸ்க் பண்ணி கம்மி பண்ண, டாஸ்க்கு நல்லா மாசம் பண்ணி நான் கம்மி பண்ணுறேன்னா ஓகே. இல்லை வேற பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா மிஞ்சி மிஞ்சி நல்லா பேசுனீங்க, நம்ம 20,000 கம்மி
நல்லா
பண்ணாங்க
பேசுறதா கொடுக்க மாட்டேன் சார். வேற டான்ஸ்
145 வரைக்கும் வந்தால் லாபம் தானே. வீட்டை வீடு இப்போ வந்து வீடு மட்டும் அவங்க கையெழுத்து போகுது 165. வீட்டை வச்சுட்டு ஒரு 5 ரூபா வீடை வாங்கிக்கிறாங்கன்னு கேட்கு
சார்.
இல்லைடா வேற ஏதாவது
வீடெல்லாம்
அவ்வளோதான்.
சாரோட கேஷ்
வேற பாயிண்ட் இல்லையா?
வாடகை வீடு
டாஸ்க் பண்ணி ரிஸ்க் பண்ணாம
ஸ்கை தான் வீடு சார்.
பாவத்தே இது
இல்லை பூமி தான் வீடு, ஸ்கை தான் வீடு.
ப்ளீஸ் some negotiation. இப்போ மூணு
கீர்த்தனாஸ் அன்ஃபேர் செல்ஃப் எஸ்டீம் அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் சொன்னதை வந்து கன்சிடர் பண்ணி அதை நான் ரிஜெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன். பட் இருந்தாலும் அதையும் சேர்த்து தான் மவுண்டிங் பண்ணி 220 கொண்டு வந்து இப்போ 165 இருக்கு. ஐ வுட்
சார் அது ரிஜெக்ட் பண்ண
எனது கருத்தை நான் பதிவு செய்கிறேன், அதை பரிசீலனை செய்கிறேன். Okay? I'm just registering my point and see if you could really reconsider upon that. As a leader, she was really doing good in this area. So, மேலே வச்சிருந்த ஒரு ஃப்ளாஃபுல் கம்ப்ளைண்ட் அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு அக்யூசேஷன் எடுத்து ஒரு 25,000 ரிடியூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா நல்லா இருக்கும்.
ஏய் வர்ஷன் கடவுள் சொன்னா கேட்கணும்டா.
சஜஷன் தான் சார்.
நண்பா சொன்னா கேளு.
இப்போ நீங்கள் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவீங்களா?
அவங்களுக்கு நீங்க for 2 lakhs
There is always a difference between 3 complaints and 6 complaints. அவங்க 3 தான் உங்களுக்கு against வச்சாங்க. நீங்க அவங்க மேல
சார் அத நீ கேன்சல் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. 4 lakhs வச்சிருக்கீங்க.
3 தான் வச்சிருக்கேன் சார். 3 தான் சார் பண்ணேன்.
ஆமா சார் நீங்க கேன்சல் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. அவங்க 3 கம்ப்ளைன்ட்க்கு 2 lakh 10,000 கேக்குறாங்க.
yes நோன்ட்டு முடிச்சு போறாங்க. முடியும்
No.
முடியாது சார்.
No.
சார் நீங்க சொல்ல வேணாம் சார். டாஸ்க்ல
சார் 4 lakhs 2 lakh 10,000 3 complaints 2 lakh 10,000 சார்.
சரி ரொம்பவும் நிறைய வந்து பெனல்டிஸ் அவங்களுக்கு நான் கொடுத்துட்டேன். பிரணவ் இருக்கும்போது ஒரு பெனல்டி ஃபேஸ் பண்ணாங்க, நவரனுக்கு எகென்ஸ்ட் பெனல்டி ஃபேஸ் பண்ணாங்க. அதனால ஒரு இன்னொரு 10,000 ரூபாய்
சாரி சார்.
ஷுட் ரொம்ப நல்லா பண்ணா. ஸோ அதெல்லாம் கன்சிடர் பண்ணி
Let's do it.
Leader said no.
மத்தர்மா பண்ணலாம். அவங்க நம்ம பண்ணலாம்.
Leader said
இவர் considering as a diversity.
Leader 5
So not our
So the leader Kirtana declares that 165 is okay.
So we ready to reduce 1 lakh but
They said no.
refuse.
நேரா பேசி போலீஸ்
50,000 கூட பண்ணலாம்.
Okay, Shram.
கேஷ் அண்ட்
185 you have on your head. Now time for Team Kalpita to negotiate.
185 sir.
Sir, first complaint.
First complaint first
Pranav.
Mitra wants to start. Let's start.
So Kirtanaka, I would like to make one point here. So the first complaint was Varshanaka, Dakshinaka, Mavrika. We did not disturb your car, that we said yesterday itself. So the main thing we issued 2,20,000 was we went through lot of loan call. I think it was about round 3 or round 4 call you completed the loan and your team was not free. But in our case we completed only after 7th or 8th round. Then only we had to pay we have to get another loan for starter home. And we bought that and we had the situation to sell that to. So now we are having starter home of 160 worth, including the selling price 160 worth. So that is the number 1 point why we sued your team for 2,20,000. And murmuring, we did not do it very intentionally. At the same time, we did not distract you. Simultaneously, 3 members were motivating your team.
You need to add something towards me. Appreciate it. Sure.
After parting is after everyone.
After the everyone.
Yes.
Okay,
sir.
right.
And we were also motivating. And we were saying that okay, from Prabhu's handcuffs are falling down. So please catch that. We were also motivating. We not only spoke here having a discussion. We had the approval from Sir. Sir only told that Sir only told that you are having this much money, so you just go for a team talk so that you can can just draft some ideas from the leader, and they are only doing the task. You are not having any ways to help them, so you can go for it. You have the approval from Sir. Overcome.
Commandment of God, sir. Sir, அதே சீட் வேணா சார் 20,000.
ஆமா சும்மா வாயில வர சொல்லாதீங்க பேசிட்டு கார்டு பண்ணி அது பண்ணி ஒரு 20,000 ஒரு நல்ல டீம் கம் பண்ணி
சார்
சார்
நாங்க ஆல் கம்ப்ளைண்ட்க்கு 2,10,000 வச்சு 3 கம்ப்ளைண்ட் குறைச்சோம் சார். அது 3 கம்ப்ளைண்ட்க்கு 2,10,000 சார்.
நான் ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கீங்க இன்னும் அவங்க சொல்லவே இல்லையே
சார் அவங்க வேணாம்ட்டாங்க சார். அவங்க கீழ
நிறைய தடவை கேட்டு கண்டிப்பா 5,000 தான் கொடுப்பேன்னு சொன்ன பிறகுதான் வந்து முடிவு
சார் அப்ப நான் 30,000 கொடுத்தேன்.
நீங்க மர்மரிங் பண்றீங்க நீங்க ஒழுங்கா அப்சர்வ் பண்ணவே இல்லை எல்லாம் பண்ணி லீடர் வந்து ஒரு 5,000 நானே கம்மி சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் ரோசப்பட்டு வேண்டாம்
கீர்த்தக வேணாம் சார் கேட்க சார்
10,000 கம்மி பண்ணிடலாம்.
That was
லீடர் சொல்றேன்
ஏதோ பேசிட்டு
அணியில சுந்தரேசன் தர்ஷன் சித்தார்த்தி என்ன வேணாலும் பேசலாம் நரேந்திர மோடி என்ன முடிவு பண்றதா அதான்
சரி
वेदश नागर आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं तो
சார்.
एक काम करते हैं
नाइस पॉइंट यू कंटिन्यू मैन ऑफ टाइम व्हाट डू यू थिंक
बेटा नबुट से एक काम करते हैं
ये काम आई विल ब्रिंग
बोला
So, Akka, like, even in the sport, just while Dakshana and Varshana, they keep murmuring.
गिरी अब என்ன சொல்றாங்க
While they keep murmuring, it won't take off any of the person's or the team's performance. They're always